Introducing the HEX Drive Washer. HEX Drive Washer is a portable washing machine that allows you to go fully off-grid. The washer snaps on top of a 5-gallon bucket like a lid.
The following is a demo video of the HEX Drive Washer. Mate the drill's chuck onto the hex shaft. Make sure it is properly engaged. Use the Velcro straps to secure the drill in place. And tighten the set screw for the vertical support. Use the adjustable zip tie to wrap around the trigger of the drill to start the operation. The washer's agitation power can be adjusted by tightening or loosening the adjustable zip tie. Untie the zip tie to stop the operation. Unwrap the Velcro straps to free the drill. Unscrew the drill's chuck to disengage from the hex shaft. For easy storage, detach the vertical support. Fold down the holster shell and detach the agitator. You can wrap the vertical support and agitator onto the holster shell for easy storage. You can also install a drain valve on the bucket for convenience.
The HEX Drive Washer is powered by your own electric drill to fully go off-grid. Thank you for watching.